Hello everyone. Put your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands as loud as you can. Clap, clap, clap. Step, step, step your feet as loud as you can. Step, step, step. Loud, loud. Let's close your eyes and listen to the sound. What else can you hear? Can you hear anything around yourself? I have a very special book for you. I will tell you some different sounds. And the sound can be made by different things. Let's see what Mr. J is going to tell you. This book tells you about different sounds. Just listen. The book is written by Kathleen Fischer and illustrated, which means being pictured by Lane J. Hello, Mr. J. Just listen. Look at this picture. There's so many things in the picture that are making different sounds. Mr. J has a jingle jacket. The feet. The kitty cat. How's the kitty cat doing? Meow, that's right. And the jeep. And the water. Right, the ocean. And anything. Let's see what's inside of this book. What's that I hear? Bling, bling, bling. Meow, meow, meow. Over here. Just this. It's a jet. Airplane. Airplane making loud sound. Very loud sound. Whoosh. Blink, blink. What's that I hear? Just listen. It's a jelly bean. The jelly beans. When it's a lot of jelly beans, you can make a big, huge sound. When it's only one jelly bean, it's going to be quiet sound. What's that I hear? Just listen. Notes, 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 notes. What is this? Maybe music. It's a jack in a box. What's that I hear? Just listen. Oh. It's a jeep. Right. Kitty cat is playing with a jeep, and jeep is making big sound. Jingle, jingle, jingle. What's that I hear? Just listen. Listen. Jingle, 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 jingle. It's my jingle, jingle jacket. There's Mr. J with his jingle, jingle jacket. With a jeep and a jet which behind the window up in the sky. Now you know so many different sounds. Let's see. Let's listen. What do you think is this making? Remember? It's a jack in the box. He's making a music. What is the sound he's making? When we play with a jack in the box, you think the sound is coming out from this box? What's going to come out from? Oh! The jack from the box came out from the box. Wow! But music is going on and on and on. And music went to the air. What happened with the music? Where is it? Can you touch it? Let's touch the music. Touch it, touch, touch, touch the sound. Can you touch it? Can you smell it? Let's smell the music. Can you smell it? We can't touch it. We can smell it. Well, can you see it? I can't see the music. I can touch it, and I can't even smell it. We can only, we can listen to the music. We can listen to the sound coming out from the box. And in the air, we don't even see how it's coming out. The sound is made of little guys, the particles which are coming out to the air. They are so tiny and visible. You can see them. Do you see them? I don't see them. No, there's no way. But they are there. They're invisible. They're clinking and banging and stepping in the air. And the harder you stamp your feet, the harder they stamp inside over there in the air. You can see, you can smell, you can only hear. Let's see. What do you think? What else we can make a sound with? We can make a sound with our hands, with the Jack in the Box, right? What else? With our feet. How about water? Can we hear the water? The water. Let's listen to the water. You hear the water? When the ocean or sea is wide, no big waves. It's quietly, beautifully swishing. What if it's a storm? It's a big sound, very loud. The big waves. If you have only one musician who is playing guitar, and clink, 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 sound like this. It's not so hard. It's not so loud. But if you have many musicians, it's going to be very loud. There are many different ways. How about tambourine? Tambourine is making the sound. Alright. The jelly beans. Remember the jelly beans? What is the jelly bean is making sound, remember? Cling, 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 cling. Remember? Pluck, pluck, cling, cling, pluck, pluck, cling, cling. What else do we have? The pluck, pluck, cling, the keys. Plastic car. Look at the plastic car. Listen to the plastic car. And if you put a rubber band around, you can pluck, 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 pluck. You can also play, right, piano. You can play different instruments. You can sing. La 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 la. Can we make a music together with everything we have? I have a paper. We can use the paper for the music. You can have this cup with the rubber bands. Yeah? Here, for you. Okay? And we're going to make the music together. Make a music, jolly, jolly music. Make a music with everything you have. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, ring the bell. Make a music, jolly, jolly music. Make a music with everything we have. Now I'm going to tell you, what would you make a sound with if you want to be a pilot? You're going to drive the big, huge airplane. What kind of sound are you going to make? What sound Kitty Cat is making? Is she barking? Is she that and she's doing cling, cling, cling? No, she's making sound like the banging sound. Let's bang, 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 bang. Drum is banging, loud, loud, loud. Remember the particles in the air? Are they banging hard right now? How are they banging right now? Right, they're banging very slow, very quiet. Now those particles in the air are going to bang harder and harder. Now they are banging hard, 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 hard. You don't see them, but they are there. You can bang with your hands like this. Sound. How about the glass? You can make a sound with a glass. can tell me whether it's loud or it's quiet. Am I playing loud or am I'm playing quiet? The little particles in the air are also playing quietly. Now I'm going to play loud. Louder and louder and louder. And these particles in the air, they are also playing very loud. They're banging into each other just like that. Can you see them? Where are they? Can you smell them? What can you only? Right, listen with your nose, with your mouth, with your ears. Absolutely. I also have rice. Look at the rice. And tomorrow, you're going to bring me from your home something that you can make a sound with. Think about that. Tell your mommy and daddy. You have to bring something and you're going to make a little musical orchestra. You can bring anything you want. Think about what we can make a music with. Maybe paper, cup, or a little glass, or anything, or maybe spoon. And we're going to play a little music together, okay?